Hi folks, Zach Brewer here with another engine. This is one I recently purchased. Uh, it is Tuesday, October 20th. It's about 5:40 in the evening. I got home from work today. We've got less wind noise, so this will be take two on this video. This is a 1918 5 horsepower monitor hit and miss engine. I just finished repainting it, and I added new custom decals and some brass grease fittings. The engine runs great. I'll take you for a little walk around here, and then we'll do a cold start on it. It's about 40 degrees today. And there's your buzz coil. A friend of mine by the name of Alan Miller from Aquaka, Illinois, just made these decals for me, and they turned out great. They're black and red to match some of the theme on my flywheels and my cart. And I just finished putting all these brass fittings on there just to dress it up a little. Got the oiler all polished up. You can see I did a little striping on the flywheels, just some basic ribbons. I'm not sure what style of governor you would call this, but just your D10 is right up on top there. That's your latch out block, and that's your governor. I put a pretty light spring on it, so she'll run nice and slow. See if I can get it to focus in on the tag here. I believe it's a 1918. From what I've talked with other collectors, with that serial number down there being 18139, they believe that 18 at the front there means it's a 1918 engine. It's a type HJ. You don't see very many horizontal monitors. You see a lot more verticals than you do these horizontal ones. Anyway, I'll start her up for you. And I've warmed it up a little bit here, so hopefully she'll stay going for us. This engine's a little bit different than some of them because that's your exhaust valve and that one's the intake, and the rocker actually kind of runs both. Most hit and misses, your intake would be atmospheric. That little rattle you hear is, if you leave these hooks undone, it actually rattles that box a little bit when she gets a good hard hit. Powerhouse. Alrighty folks, this is Zach Brewer signing off. I hope you enjoyed the video of the 1918 5 horsepower monitor.